I just got some packages. Yay! Thank you, Amazon. Start with this bigger box. So I got a bakeware rack so I can store some of my things kind of like standing up and have a little bit more room. I got these, which I'm really excited for. They're dividers that you can use in your drawers. I don't know if I'll need more. We'll definitely see. So I have a whole bunch of these so I could organize my bathroom drawers and maybe even the kitchen. These are like these amber soap dispensers, kind of like farmhouse style liquid. This is my dish soap that I had ordered from Mrs. Meyer's. And I ordered a couple of like backstock so that way I can have some extra ones. I'm gonna organize this drawer here, which is like cooking spatulas and stuff. Let's see if I could get this camera to stay. I really need a tripod. Okay. First things first, I'm gonna start by taking everything out of here. And I still have some more things that I haven't found yet that are definitely in boxes. I wanna kind of organize everything together. So this is cool. You kind of just choose where you want it to go and then you lock it. So let's say like that. Perfect. So it kind of just stays here and everything stays separated. I think I might do, let's see, maybe like 2. So I'll have like an area here for bigger stuff and then smaller stuff. By the way, these will be linked down below in my Amazon store. All right, and now I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna go organize my like coffee and tea drawer. Okay, so this is like really big and I wanted to organize it, so I think we'll do put teas over here. And they're very sturdy and they help everything stay nice and divided and organized, which I love. I think I might put my Nespresso pods in here as well. For right now, this is what I got. Let me actually put this here. There we go. So then I have some more room. I'll probably put another divider set over here and decide what I'm gonna put in this drawer as I get more things. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill up one of these bottles. This will also be linked in my description bar and on my Amazon store. I'm gonna use one of these. And these are 16 ounces. And this bottle is also 16 ounces. And we got a beautiful little dish soap here. Cute little area right here, right by the sink. And I have a candle and I was thinking, oh, maybe I could put it over here, but I don't think it looks right. All right, so this is interesting. You can adjust it. There's non-slip feet and there's steel wall dividers. So I ended up using this to put all of like my bake essentials that I use on the daily, and that way I can just grab it and, you know, take it from here. And usually like when I stack them, they all make so much noise. What you doing?
Nothing, just putting these boxes back together.
For anyone who is interested, they are the 24-inch stool, and they are in the color or shade Beach Natural, which is one of my favorites. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, so this is what the chairs look like. As you can see, they're kind of like very natural finish, almost like it looks like it's unfinished, but I love that look. Here's an up close look at the chairs. I also love that they have backs on them, so it's really nice and comfortable when you're sitting down. I tested it out and I was like, wow, these are so comfortable. Steven wants to show you how the chairs look like inside of the box.
They're very well packaged for chairs that I've seen. Just
oh, wow.
3 pieces. But they're all packaged very well. I haven't had any issues with them. Here's the hardware kit. Very self-explanatory. Super easy. But I do recommend have something that's, I'm not quite sure how tall this is, but I'm using a nightstand right now to assemble this. Something that's at least waist high, because you have to put screws on the bottom. It's underneath the actual chair, so it just makes things easier, especially after a long day at work.
That's right, he just came from work and he's coming to work some more.
Yeah, but this is good. This is a good work. It's not that work is not good. It's just this is improving something that. Look at that.
That looks really nice.
And it's almost like I feel like it's solid wood.
Yeah,
I don't think it's compressed or anything like that. What you see in the stores.
Yeah.
And for those that want to make things even more sturdy, this you can just put some wood glue and then put it all together.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking.
Ola Bonecas, I know that you did not see me throughout most of the video. I'm sorry. It was like half my head cut off. And unfortunately, my tripod broke. I think I mentioned it in the previous video. So I'm using like a little mini one, and it makes it a little bit inconvenient, but we're making it work. The new one is supposed to come tomorrow, so I'm so excited. I actually wanted to share with you the kitchen, and you can see the chairs in natural light. I love how the chairs look on the island. The refrigerator is not going to stay there. We have to get a counter depth. I think I had mentioned it in an earlier video, so let me show you. Do you see how it sticks out that much? With a counter depth, it will actually be flush to this counter. So it looks really bad because basically like you're walking and then bam, refrigerator. But it was very inconvenient to have to go to the garage and then inside the house, back and forth, back and forth. So we ended up just putting it in there for now. And then over here, I love this bowl. Like I love how minimal it is. It's like a fruit bowl. It fits, it's a pretty decent size. It fits, you know, fruit essentials. If you wanted to put vegetables, I feel like you could too, but I love the black. So I really like that. And then I wanted to show you this gadget that I also got on Amazon, and it will be linked. It's like a drying, this is a drying mat. And so it's nice because you don't have anything on the side of your counters. It's just like on the top. And then once you're done with having everything dry, you just roll it up. And then this is just like a little flower from a beautiful friend, a little candle, and then that pink thing, which I had already talked about. I think I already showed you my coffee station. I've got the frother, the Nespresso, little sugar container, and then the Keurig. And then over here, I just have, well, this little marble decorative thing that you could put spatulas and stuff. I got that from Target. And then just some beautiful tulips. And I put like this little cutting board on the backsplash. So that is the overview of the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it, and I will see you on the next one.